Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Satya Pencil Arts. Today I will share you how I did this drawing. So I have taken one ivory sheet to draw the picture. I will use Staedtler pencil in this drawing. Let's start the process. I am using grid method to draw this portrait. In the top right corner you can see the reference image. I am using mechanical pencil for the outlines of my drawing. Sometimes I may use HB pencils for the outlines. Observe the reference image carefully. As per the reference image, you may start from eye or you may start from the head or from the nose also. You can see here that I have started with head, then eyes, then nose, then mouth. Now I am drawing neck. Use the pencils very lightly to draw the outlines. I am using very light pressure to draw, and right now you can see that I am drawing the left side of the hand. Once I complete the left hand side, then I'll move to the right. Those who are beginner, they may use Artline pencils for the drawing. There won't be any huge difference while we draw with the Artline pencils compared to the Staedtler pencils. As you can see, I have just completed my outline of this sketch. Now I am using 2B pencil for the second layer. I am starting with the right eye first and then I'll move to the left. So I may use sometimes the mono zero eraser or the highlights, and also I may use blending stumps, or even you can use a dry brush for the blending. You can see I am using brush to soften the eye. Even you may use 4B as well as 6B pencil for the dark areas. Even you may use blending stumps to smudge. Now you may see that I am darkening the eyebrows of the right eye. Just observe the reference image and start giving shading. Wherever darker areas required, use it 8B, or you may use 10B also for the very darker areas. You may say right now I have completed right side of the person, right now moving to the left. I am using blending stumps to shade the areas. Even you may use mono zero eraser or netted eraser. Now you may see that I have completed the nose portion. Now moving to the lips portion. Observe the image carefully and draw the tooth portion. Mouth is the very difficult portion in the drawing. Whenever drawing mouth, pay much more attention to the reference. I have used 6B pencils for the darker shades in the lips. I am using HB pencils for the shades in the faces. Use mono zero eraser for the highlights in the faces. You can see that I have almost completed the shading in the faces. Right now I may move to hairs to draw the darker areas, so I may use 10B pencils, or even you can use charcoal pencil to darker the hair portion. So observe the reference picture carefully and draw the hairs which are very dark in areas. Use different layers while drawing hairs. So use HB pencil, then move to 4B, even 6B, and at the last you can use 8B for the darker areas. And whenever you require, you can use blending stumps to smooth the surfaces, as well as you can use kneaded eraser for the highlights. You can see that I am using mono zero eraser for the highlights, as well as the blending stumps to smooth the surfaces. So this process has to be repeated in each and every part of the person. Use the reference image and start shading wherever it required. So you can see that I am drawing the neck portion. Repeat the same process throughout in your drawing. Use HB pencil to shade for the lighter areas. So as you can see that I am using for lighter areas HB pencil, and then if we require more darker areas, then I use 4B or 6B. And I am using brush to blend the surface, as well as you can see that I am shading the necklace portion. Even you may use jelly roll pen for the highlighting areas. To smooth the surface, even you may use tissue paper into it. As you can see that we have just completed the shoulder portion. Now we are moving into the dress. It took me a lot of time to complete this sketch. Whenever you spend more time in your sketch, it comes out to be realistic sketch. Now we have completed the left side of the hand portion. Now moving into the right, so where you can see the shading as well as there are small proportions I'm adding into it. Once I complete this shading part, I may use jelly roll pen for the whiter areas. Now I am adding the design in the dress part. So I have used a 2B pencil for this design. So later on, once I complete the shading, I may go with the darker areas with 4B or 6B pencils. Those who are new to my channel and they are watching for the first time, please like and subscribe, guys. As you can see that I have almost completed the design in the dress. Now I may add the jelly roll pen into it. Now you can see the final result after adding jelly roll pen into it. Do comment me everyone about the drawing. Hey guys, if you really like this video, do like, share, subscribe and do support my channel, guys. Please support my channel, guys, to come up with a different new pencil sketches for you all. Thank you, take care and bye bye, guys.